Let's go over the rule of thirds. It is very simple. We just divide our surface in thirds, vertically and horizontally. The rule is try to place your focal points, that is, the important things, on or near where the lines intersect, or along these lines. If we just center the object, it may become boring and not so nice. But if we place it on or near these lines, it becomes much more interesting and more aesthetically pleasing. In this case, I used it for both the boat and the horizon line. Here we have another similar composition. Notice also that we usually leave breathing space in the direction in which the object, or in this case the dolphin, is moving toward, or in the direction in which a person or animal is looking. But you can also choose to do the opposite, like in this painting, in which I wanted to convey the feeling that it has sailed for a while. Here we see a different example. And here you see that the woman is along a vertical line. And my first instinct was to place the falcon exactly on the intersection. But I wanted him about at her eye level so that they would be communicating and not so close to her. So that was his place. It is important to understand that the rule of thirds is not actually a rule, but a principle, and that you can use it, ignore it, or modify it to better communicate your message. But generally speaking, it is very useful and simple. One exception in which you probably shouldn't use it is when you have symmetry in your design. In this case, it looks better if you center it. I hope these tips were helpful to you.